blood flows slowly in veins and easy to be affected. What factors affect it? Stand up suddenly from a long time squatting. Why can appear dizzy and black in frontal eyes? Why appear dizzy, palpitation, and black in frontal eyes while standing for a long time, but not appear while go shopping? To settle all these questions, we'll learn venous pressure and venous return. Venous pressure includes central pressure and peripheral pressure. The pressure in the right atrium and vena cava is called central venous pressure, about 4 to 12 centimeters of water. Central venous pressure is an important indicator of cardiovascular function and is determined by the relationship between ventricular ejection and venous return. If ventricular ejection decreases or venous return increases, central venous pressure would increase. The venous pressure in organs is called peripheral venous pressure. It's low, about 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury. It's easy to be affected by surrounding tissues. The pressure difference pushes blood to flow back to the heart. 5 factors affect venous return. The first is the average systemic filling pressure, which reflects the filling degree of circulating system. Research shows that the higher the average systemic filling pressure, the more the venous return. The second factor is myocardial contractility. If the contractility increases, stroke volume increases, ventricular pressure in diastole decreases, and the ventricular suction is strong, promoting the ventricular filling. The pressure difference between central venous pressure and the peripheral venous pressure is increased, promoting venous return. Therefore, the right heart failure accompanied with the distension of jugular vein, edema in liver, spleen, and feet. Left heart failure accompanied with pulmonary congestion and edema. Why do we feel dizzy, palpitation, and black in frontal eyes? We are standing still half an hour. But if go shopping, these phenomena will not appear. Next, let's learn the third factor, the squeezing effect of skeletal muscles. Blood flows slowly in veins and easy to be retained. There are valves to ensure the flowing. Skeletal muscles contraction can squeeze the vein, thus accelerate venous return. Therefore, skeletal muscle is like a pump, being called muscle pump. With the muscle's rhythmic contraction and relaxation, the amount of blood squeezed out can reach several liters per minute, accelerating venous return. If muscles contract continuously, the vein will be compressed continuously. Venous return decreased. Therefore, normal people standing or sitting for a long time may appear edema in lower limb. The fourth factor is postural changes. It mainly affects the transmural pressure of veins and then changes venous return. From squatting or supine to upright, the blood will be retained due to gravity. The vein of lower limb will expand due to the increase of transmural pressure, so as to accommodate more blood and reduce venous return. The decrease of venous return leads to the decreased cardiac output and arterial pressure, so the blood to the head decrease, and dizzy and black in frontal eyes appeared. Each time measuring arterial pressure will get a different value. Therefore, it's required to measure 3 times and take the average. Why? Venous return is affected by respiratory movement. The large vein in thoracic cavity often dilate due to the pleural negative pressure. When inhaled, the thoracic capacity is enlarged, the pleural negative pressure increased, the dilation degree of large artery and right atrium increased, the central venous pressure decreased. The pressure difference between central venous pressure and the peripheral venous pressure increased, so the venous return increased. In isolation, the result is opposite. Therefore, respiratory movement is like a pump, known as respiratory pump. Arterial pressure fluctuates with respiration. Let's do a summary. In this class, we know that venous pressure includes central venous pressure and the peripheral venous pressure. The difference between them is small, so we need venous valve to promote venous return. Respiration, cardiac pumping, skeletal muscle squeezing, and postural changes can affect venous return, thus affect arterial pressure. That's all for this class. Thank you. See you.